Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to get images, how to get free images for your slideshow from Google without having the tension of copyright in future. So first of all, I'm going to Google and Google Images. Now suppose you are just going to make a slideshow on haunted house or whatever you wish. So I'm just typing for haunted house. And the images that you can see here is not filtered by the license, and if you use those images you may face the problem of copyright strike in YouTube. But now what I'm going to do will help you a lot. Go to settings, click on advanced search, and now scroll down, and at the bottom usage rights, click there, and at the bottom free to use, share or modify even commercially, click there. Now again click on advanced search. And now the images that you can see here is totally free, and you can use it on any platform including YouTube for slideshow videos or etc. you want, and you will never face copyright strike with the photos, with these images in future. Okay, and if you want you can also click on the images and can get extra informations from the links. Okay, all the images here are free and you need not to worry about copyright strike. And that's a simple way of getting hundreds of thousands of images from Google for slideshow without the tension of copyright. And I hope I could help you and you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to write us on the comment box, hit the like button and subscribe for more useful videos like this in future. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.